Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video I'll show you the most profitable strategy. Watch this video till the end and write the comments. The lucky one will receive $100 to the balance on the website. And let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group. Just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So, such principles I picked up for you. Our starting balance is $100, time frame is 5 minutes, and we will open the deal for the entire balance. And we will move on to the first concept. And this one is suitable for us, so we'll open for a fall. As we see that the alligator is crossing, the lines are directed downwards. The blue line of the indicator will be higher than the rest of the lines. This means that the chart is down. Will be. And according to the MACD, we see a signal to sell. Its signal line crossed from top to bottom. And now, let's talk in more detail about the alligator. The alligator indicator is a technical analysis tool that uses smooth moving averages. The indicator uses a smooth average calculated with a simple moving average to start. It uses 3 moving averages set of 5, 8, and 13 periods. The 3 moving averages comprise the jaw, teeth, and lips of the alligator. The indicator applies convergence-divergence relationships to build trading signals, with the jaw making the slowest turns and the lips making the fastest turns. The alligator indicator helps differentiate between trading and resting periods. The indicator consists of 3 lines, as I said, and I'll show you in more detail in practice. The indicator lines being rebuilt, the lines are directed downward. The alligator's jaw, the blue one we see, will be higher than the rest of the lines. It says that the chart will go down, but if we're the other way around, where the green line is high, that's the lips are directed down, then we would open for an increase. And yeah, such moments are difficult to track but not impossible. And now we are waiting for the completion of our deal. So good, our first trade today closing positive. Good, profit is $92. We'll move on to the next concept. And this concept is absolutely suitable for us. Let's reduce the time frame to 4 minutes. We will open a deal for our entire balance, and we will open for an increase as we see that the alligator indicator that now its lines are directed upwards. That means there will be an intersection of the lines, and its green line will be at the top lips. That is the lips of the alligator. All this indicates that the chart will move up, and we see a signal to buy. On the MACD, we see that the main line crossed the signal line from top to bottom. And I'll tell you in more detail about MACD. MACD indicator is the trend oscillator, combining the properties of both the trend indicator and the oscillator. MACD is calculated on the basis of sliding median. The purpose of the indicator is to simplify the visual perception of signals supplied by sliding average, reduce the delay. And for calculation, 3 exponential sliding median sized down with different periods are used, from a rapid sliding average with a smaller period, a slow sliding average with a large period is deducted. The MACD line is built on the obtained values, and the main signal that applies to the indicator is the intersection of the MACD line and the signal line. When the MACD line crosses the signal from the bottom up, this is the purchase signal. The intersection from top to bottom opposite the signal for sale. And how to use it? So we see a buy signal. There is, yeah, the main line. There's also a sell signal on what to do with the line. If the lines do not intersect, everything is very simple. We look at which line is higher. There's a signal line at the top and the lines are directed downwards. So the chart will go down. But if there is this reverse situation where the main line is higher and the lines are directed upwards, then the chart will go up. That's all. So let's continue to wait for the completion of our deal. And our second deal in plus property is $176. And the last concept pair for today. And this one is suitable. We'll reduce the time frame to 1 minute for the entire balance. And we open a deal for an increase. As we see on the alligator, its lines are directed upwards. So there is a green line at the top. That is the lip of the alligator. This indicates that the chart will go up. We see on the MACD also what the main line is above the signal line and the lines are directed upwards. This also indicates that the chart will go up. That's it. And let's wait for the deal to close. And our deal goes into plus good. The profit is $339. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.